Following the 2022 general elections, Peter Yama filed an election petition challenging the victory of Ramsey Pariwa for the Madang provincial seat. The petition proceeded to trial on September 8 to 9, 2023 in Madang. During the trial, the court allowed one ground of undue influence to proceed while dismissing other grounds. On October 23, 2023, the National Court dismissed the entire petition. Seeking to overturn dismissal, Yama filed an application for leave to review the National Court's decision. His lawyer Ben Lomai presented 5 grounds for the review, primarily focusing on alleged errors in fact and law by the trial judge, particularly concerning the credibility assessment of Yama's chief witness, Gideon Jerome. Lomai argued that the trial judge relied on irrelevant considerations and that corroboration of the witness's testimony was unnecessary. In response, Pariwa's lawyer Martin Combry contended that the application did not raise significant legal points on manifest errors and should therefore be dismissed. After hearing arguments from both sides, the court reserved its ruling on the application for leave to review, with the decision to be announced at a later date. Today, outside the courtroom, Peter Yama called on his supporters and the people of Madang to remain calm and respect the judicial process during this period.
I would like to call upon the people of Madang to stay calm. Everything we always follow rules of law, and our presence here to come to the court to argue a legal right, which is everybody, all the candidates, the right to do so. My right is to come to court because I feel that the learned judge made the decision in the lower court was wrong. So that's my right to appeal to the Supreme Court.
Adding on to that, here's what his lawyer had to say.
And there is a huge consequential effect on the basis that the entire matter will go back to the drawing board, and Mr. Yama will have to seek leave again here. So they relied on Section 155(4) of the Constitution, which is a general provision to say that if you're not happy and you don't have a private rights, then you can apply to set aside or dismiss whatever orders that were given earlier. Yeah. But we made submissions to the court that their application was not based on a proper jurisdictional basis.
Yama's leave from the Supreme Court to review was granted. However, Pariwa's application challenging the decision to allow the matter for review is currently in court. The decision from this application heard today will determine whether the substantive matter, National Court ruling on Election Petition 86, will proceed to a full hearing for review. The current application is by Pariwa, seeking to dismiss the substantive appeal of Yama on the grounds that there was bias on the part of Chief Justice Gib Salika when the Chief Justice allowed or granted Yama extension of time to serve documents on Pariwa. The decision was reserved for a later date. James Guken, National EMTV News.